welcome back. What I want to look at is to provide you with information on the lowest common multiple. Okay? Now, look at this information. It simply shows you how to find the lowest common multiple when dealing with fractions. Okay? Now again, read the information in the text because it tells you exactly what you need to be doing and how to do it. Okay? Now, I don't need to read this to you in any way because you're quite capable of reading this for yourselves. Okay? Pause it where you feel you need to. Look at what it says. Write out the information for yourself. Make it your own. Okay? Do not assume there's any shortcut to this. There isn't. Now again, you're looking at the process, how it is applicable. Now once you have discovered how to add fractions or to convert fractions, mathematics becomes a lot easier. Okay? And that will be it for now. Okay, thank you for your time. I hope you have found this information useful. Have a good day. Bye bye.